My name is Justin DeWitt, and I'm the Business Development Officer here at MotorVision. MotorVision is an application like no other. It actually provides preventative maintenance, tracking, and monitoring information for devices throughout the industry of manufacturing, pumps, and other applications.
One of the big problems in industry right now is we have a lot of aging equipment that's in the field, and so that means there's a lot of breakdowns. We came up with a solution to monitor the aging equipment in a way that could predict when something was going to fail.
Companies lose so much money just from their lines going down. And with something like, say, just-in-time manufacturing, if a line goes down during those processes, they're done for the whole day. That can add up tremendously.
The more anybody else is succeeding, the more we succeed. America's manufacturing capacity has been declining for a while, and so we need any leg up we can get. And this is it. This makes any manufacturing facility more profitable.
It's a privilege to be a part of Fibercross. And to us, it's really about getting the word out.
Because at the end of the day, the growth of networking is exponential. I'm Justin DeWitt.
I'm Timothy Mills.
I'm Dr. Elijah Jensen.
I'm Nathaniel Vetters,
And we're going to be this year's Fibercross champions.